What you're about to witness is not just a repair. It's the astonishing resurrection of a forgotten power. A journey begins to unveil a secret buried by time. This relic, left to decay, holds an untold story. One woman saw its hidden potential, and her hands are about to perform the impossible. The journey back is the first step in its transformation. Here, the deconstruction begins. To rebuild, one must first unmake. With intense focus, she delves into its mechanical heart. Every bolt and screw holds a memory of its former life. Modern tools meet forgotten technology. Intricate adjustments reveal the complexity within. Each layer removed is a step closer to its core essence. A puzzle of rust and steel starts to come apart. The grime of years is methodically stripped away. The starter, the very spark of its life, is carefully disassembled. Every component must be purified for the rebirth. It is a delicate operation, requiring immense patience. Reduced to its fundamental parts, the engine is laid bare, awaiting the hands that will grant it a second chance. The process of renewal begins with the smallest pieces. With precision, the generator is brought back to life. Now, the resurrected component rejoins the main body. A perfect union, bridging the old with the renewed. Life-giving lubrication is applied, preparing for motion. New seals provide a barrier against the elements. Confidence and skill guide the reassembly. The complex valve system is meticulously restored. Each one is seated with expert care. The engine's core is now sealed, protecting its inner workings. The belt is fitted, ready to transfer power. The cooling fan is installed, a vital piece for its survival. A final, thorough inspection of the assembled machine. The moment of truth is drawing near. A spark, a shudder, a breath. Years of silence are broken in a plume of smoke. She listens to the rhythm of its new heartbeat. The workspace is cleared. The transformation is nearly complete. But its journey is not over. It was reborn for a purpose. This resurrected heart will now power another forgotten machine. The intricate work continues, merging old with new. In a lush garden, another mechanical soul awaits her touch. Her focus is unwavering, her determination absolute. Exposing the inner mechanics of the old tractor. Her movements are efficient, born from experience. She prepares for the next phase of the restoration. Every part is treated with methodical precision. 2 more bolts are freed, revealing what lies beneath. A careful inspection before installing a new component. The cleansing ritual is repeated, washing away the past. Fresh fluid is prepared, essential for smooth operation. No detail is too small, no part left untouched. Order is brought to the chaos of parts and tools. The meticulous cleaning process is key to a lasting repair. Now, the reassembly can begin in earnest. Each piece is torqued to perfection. A small but crucial part is fitted into place. She works with a quiet confidence that is captivating. A final check, a moment of satisfaction. The engine is nearly whole again, ready for its new life. The final preparations are made. A delicate assembly of the machine's inner workings. The engine, once a relic, is now the heart of this machine. She applies the final touches with intense concentration. Every connection must be secure. Her expertise is evident in every deliberate movement. The complexity of the restored engine is unveiled. The engine is carefully extracted from its temporary home. It is a heavy burden, carried with purpose. The weight of her achievement is tangible. A new destination awaits this powerhouse. Using ingenuity, she prepares to lift it once more. A struggle against gravity, fueled by sheer willpower. Slowly, steadily, it rises. The engine is secured for the next leg of its journey. A final check to ensure its safe transport. On the move again, this resurrected heart travels onward. Her focus never wavers. Her mission is not yet complete. Through the countryside, a testament to her skill is transported. It has arrived. The final chapter of its revival is about to begin. Now, another challenge. A larger engine awaits her command. With unwavering focus, she begins the deep dive into its mechanics. She assesses the complex task ahead. Powerful tools make way for a swift disassembly. Precision is paramount as she strips away the outer layers. The engine's core is slowly revealed. Amidst the pieces, she finds the source of the decay. She works with a relentless, determined rhythm. Even the smallest parts are carefully extracted. The process of unmaking continues. Each component is inspected and prepared for cleansing. More layers are peeled back, deeper into the machine. A familiar process of careful deconstruction. She works tirelessly, her goal clear in her mind. The engine gives up its secrets, one piece at a time. She wrestles with a stubborn component, her resolve unbroken. A moment to survey the field of dismantled parts. Back to the meticulous work of restoration. The final parts of this mechanical puzzle are separated. The engine, now in pieces, awaits its rebirth. The transformative process of purification begins. She handles the heavy components with surprising strength. She contemplates the complex web of machinery before her. Her hands, stained with oil, carefully sort the smallest pieces. Each part is methodically cleaned, preparing for reassembly, wiping away the old to make way for the new. Even the largest gears receive her full attention. Her workspace is kept clean, a sign of a true professional. Now, order emerges from the chaos. The first pieces of the restored engine are put into place. With practiced hands, the machine begins to take shape again. The delicate valve springs are installed with utmost care. She applies torque, securing the engine's core. A glimpse into the intricate heart of the machine. The complex dance of gears, clean and ready. Another restored component finds its home. A cylindrical piston is carefully slotted into place. The reassembly continues, piece by methodical piece. The gears are masterfully woven back together. The complex internal mechanics are seamlessly integrated. Once again, she begins the sacred process of cleansing. Her hands, though dirty, work with surgical precision, freeing the smallest screw with a gentle touch. The engine, now in parts, tells a story of her labor. The disassembly is swift, driven by focus and skill. The reassembly begins, a familiar and satisfying process. Each turn of the wrench brings it closer to completion. A clean part, gleaming, ready to be reintegrated. The engine is nearly whole, its new form taking shape. A final check, a confident nod. The moment is here. It thirsts for coolant, the lifeblood of its operation. The final connections are made. Anticipation builds for the first ignition. And with a roar, it breathes again. Success, the sound of a perfectly restored engine. It's moved to its final destination. Now, to give a broken-down truck a new heart. This old truck, lost to the wilderness, is her next patient. She begins the arduous task of freeing it from nature's grasp. Its damaged body tells a story of neglect. She gets to work, diagnosing the electrical faults. A delicate repair, reconnecting the frayed lifelines. The fuel system is the next to be inspected and repaired. She traces the problem with a determined eye. The front end is damaged, but the wiring can be saved. Inside the dilapidated cabin, she tries to spark it to life. The truck is a wreck, a true test of her abilities. She tows her colossal patient back to the workshop. Back in civilization, the real restoration can begin. The interior is the first to be dismantled. The old, torn seat is removed. She probes the truck's nervous system, searching for faults. Her tools give her the answers she seeks. The intricate electrical repair is underway. Her hands move with a familiar, practiced grace. The old fluids are drained, purging the system. A stream of contaminated liquid is removed. The fuel tank is secured, completing the repair. She gives the entire system a final, confident inspection. A smile of triumph, another victory against decay. The truck's body is removed to receive its new engine. She tops off the fluids, a crucial step in the process. The old engine bay is prepared for the transplant. Inside the cabin, the restoration continues. The old seating is fully removed to make way for the new. She works on the rear of the cabin with precision. The glass is cleaned, offering a clear view of a job well done. The restored truck stands proud, a symbol of transformation. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Fuan's Bushcraft for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.